Hello, welcome back to the Cloud and Data Science channel. First, let us see how to install the Databricks. Go to the Google and type try Databricks free. Click on the try Databricks for free. Then you will get this screen. This screen you need to enter all these details. So first let us understand what is Databricks. Databricks is unified data analytics platform for data engineering, data science, and machine learning. Basically, Databricks is used to build data pipelines for ingestion of batch data as well as streaming data. Databricks is available in AWS Cloud, Microsoft Azure Cloud, and Google Cloud. Databricks also provides interactive notebooks. Use Apache Spark, SQL, Python, Scala, MLflow, TensorFlow, Keras, Scikit-learn. Now let us see how to install the Databricks. Enter all the details. Once you enter all the details, click get started for free. Now you will get this screen. In this screen there are two options. One is Databricks platform free trial and second one is community edition. This free trial is available for 14 days. Community edition is for students and educational institutions. Here we can see that Databricks also provides job scheduler to execute jobs for production pipelines. It provides unlimited clusters and we can integrate Databricks with various reporting tools such as Tableau, Qlik, and when you click on get started, you will receive an email from the Databricks. Then click on that email. Then you need to enter the details. Enter the password. Now this is the Databricks welcome screen. Here we can see various options available in the Databricks. In the Databricks homepage, we can create new notebook, we can create table, we can create new cluster, we can create MLflow experiment, we can import the libraries. Let us see the tabs. This is the homepage. This is the workspace. Currently, there are no notebooks available in the workspace. This is the data where we can see the tables and databases. We can create new table here. This is the tab to create the cluster. This is the jobs. So go to the home page. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In the upcoming videos, we are going to see various transformations such as how to add a new columns to the data frame and how to deduplicate the data if there are any duplicate rows in the data. We are also going to see how to do some aggregations with a real world use case for the batch process as well as streaming process. And finally, we are going to create an ML model. Thank you.